Hi everybody, Rose here. So today we are going to be doing this. It is a Christmas coaster. I'm calling it the Crisscross coaster, and I have a couple different choices for you. I started out with these, but they kind of look more spring to me, but it's got those. And then just some plain colored ones I thought looked really good. I thought they turned out really well. That pattern, I really love that. And at the end, I'll show you how to do this version. It's a little bit more advanced with that trim right there. So just in case you want this option, I'm going to throw it in at the end. But for the most part, they're just going to be like this. And the only difference between these two, other than the colors are flip-flopped, is that I did one extra row of single crochet around the edge. So you have two options here. Let's see what they measure. Okay. So our regular one is going to be about 4 inches. And with that extra trim, it moves it to about 4 1/4. So not that much bigger. And let's see, how does it fare out with my giant jug? Okay. Do one more row and it'll fit one of these 1/2 gallons. Alrighty. So what we're gonna need is, got our scissors and tapestry. We are gonna do the H hook, 5.0 millimeter. And for today's yarn, this is that, I think it's called Lily's Sugar and Cream. I just had the ticket like 30 seconds ago and then poof, I have no idea where it went. But, and for some reason that sounds funny, but it's that sugar and cream cone in red. And I think I'm going to try this. I love this cotton. And this is in forest. Okay. So go get your supplies and I will meet you right back here.